I was used to be this 8-year-old girl. So I used to look at the stars and, kind of figure out the constellations. And there were those condensation trails of the jumbo jets amongst them. And I would look at them and I say, Zoya, could you ever fly one of them? Sense of going over the North Pole. I have renamed, instead of top of the world, I call it top of the North Pole. So I was extremely happy to cross the North Pole with my passenger at 34,000 feet, creating a new history in aviation. This route is very, very different as compared to any other flight, like the other normal flights that we operate. So, having said that, there are a lot of requirements, very stringent ones, a lot of checkbox that you have to go through to make this kind of a flight a reality. It starts right from the airplane equipment. There are a lot of lists of equipments which have to be serviceable. There is no room for nervousness. We were all looking forward to it, charged up, electrified at the end of the day, with the full sense of responsibility of almost 250 lives on my shoulders and our shoulders, me and my three other amazing dream team, Bharat Ki Betis. On touchdown, I could hear the applause from the cabin to the cockpit when I landed the aeroplane in Bengaluru. And when we got off the runway, there were lady controllers welcoming us, and it was such a charged up atmosphere, right from the air traffic controllers to the passengers. I have been closely associated with this flight, so this flight is very close to my heart for almost a year, and finally we could turn the page and create a world history flying this particular North Pole route on one of the world's longest flights, on Air India's longest flights, on the longest flight by any Indian carrier between the two Silicon Valleys, between the two diametrically opposite city pairs on the Mother Earth. One was the time when I told her that I wanted to become a pilot, and that time she was so scandalized that she cried in fear. The second time was when my 2013 feat, when I got my command, being the youngest in 2013 on 777s. That is the second time she cried. So that was the joyous tears. And now in 2021, having accomplished something so big, this time it was the utmost joy tears. Not only can you become an airline commander, but you can also cross the North Pole if you set your mind to it. Because there is no word like impossible. It is always, I am possible. Because every single time you think anything is impossible, you just have to switch over and deviate in the way you read things and read it as I am possible. Because every single reality, which is amazing in this world, begins with a great dream. And every single great dream begins with a great dreamer. And that great dreamer is you. Absolutely you.